So till this point, we have understood the depth of the exam through exam guide. We have learned more about frequently asked questions. Let's quickly get started and let's learn about how I can book an exam. You can go to this link. Once you open Loyalist exam portal, which is a vendor for Tableau certification exam. Once you are here, just create a new account for you. So click on this, create new LES account. Fill all of these details. So let me just fill the quick details. So once you fill all of this detail, click on this create account. So Tableau will navigate us to the second page where we can select a specific exam that we are looking for. So I'll select Tableau Specialist one. If you have any promo code, apply that over here. Normally, if you go to Tableau Learn website, that's where you guys will see some promo codes and vouchers. But in current case, we don't have anything. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on that next button. Here, you can select the exam language. So select English. You can select your own language. Click here to accept the agreement. And in the next part, let's handle the payment. In current scenario, Tableau is offering 20% discounts on certification. So I applied this coupon over here. Once we applied that coupon, go ahead and hit that next button. Now Tableau will throw us on the payment confirmation page. Here, just fill the card name, card number, your card expiry date, and process the transaction. I have already attempted this exam and I passed with 99%. So I'll not reattempt this one, and that's where I'll guide you through the next steps. Select your specific date that you're looking for, select a time, and schedule the exam. Once you schedule your exam, you will see a timer that will start from your date of purchase to the exact date that you have for your exam. It will start a countdown timer, and that timer will turn into start button wherever you will land upon actual day and time. You'll have to click on that start button and Tableau will start the exam. So that's the whole flow. Create your Loyalist account, select your exam, complete the transaction, select the date and time as per your availability, and start the exam.